No more oil splatters and no more frying smell that lingers in the kitchen, because air fryer is the solution to do all of our frying. Crispy chicken coated with thick, zingy orange sauce. So delicious. And I'm also going to show you how to coat the chicken with flour and eggs in an easier and faster way. Okay, let's start with the chicken. Here I have chicken thigh, 1.5 pound, 680 grams that I cut into bite-sized pieces. And to that, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of less salt soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, and finally 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Okay, now let's just mix everything together and leave everything to marinate for like 20 minutes. Let's prepare the coating for the chicken. Here I have a ziploc bag. I like to use this method because it makes my life way easier. So what you want to do is take this 1 cup of cornstarch, 130 grams. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, also 130 grams, half teaspoon of salt, and finally 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. If you don't have it, just use black pepper, it's fine. Make sure you seal the bag. And then just do like this so that everything is well mixed. So after 20 minutes, what we want to do now is put the chicken inside the bag. Again, seal the bag properly. Now, just shake the chicken, making sure that every piece is well coated. Let's remove the chicken from the bag. Make sure you shake the excess flour. Don't throw the flour mixture yet because we're going to use it later. This is the same bowl that I used to marinate my chicken, and I'm going to crack 2 eggs in it. Pinch of salt. Let's put our coated chicken inside. Give them a quick mix. At this stage, I just like to use my hand because it's easier. Once everything is coated like this, put them back in the flour mixture. Seal our ziploc bag and then just shake. You're going to end up with something like this. Now we're going to cook them. Here I have my air fryer basket lined with parchment paper. Now I'm going to put the chicken in single layer. Spray generously with some oil. Now let's cook them at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 8 minutes. This is after 8 minutes. What we want to do now is flip them. Let's cook them for another 8 minutes. So this is how they look like. I like to put them on a rack like this so that they keep crunchy. Meanwhile, I do the rest of the chicken. 1 inch of ginger, 4 garlic cloves, 1.5 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of less salt soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, zest of 1 whole orange, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Let's cook until the sugar is fully dissolved. At this stage, adjust the seasoning. I like to add a bit of chicken bouillon powder. For a bit of heat, I like to add a squeeze of sriracha. Now I'm gonna add a slurry of 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 1 tablespoon of water. Now that we have the sauce beautiful and thickened like this, let's add our chicken. Mix them all together and then that's it.